Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at the euro dollar versus the Australian dollar and see if we can find supply and demand levels and trade it for income. Take a look at the monthly first. We can see that the monthly is in a clear uptrend. See here, you can draw this valley and connect this valley, or you can connect these two valleys. But either way, we're in a clear uptrend with a very wide area of demand created right here in this demand zone, and then price went up, dropped, and then kind of tested it once and twice, and then rallied, and it's continuing to rally with the EMA supporting it. On the weekly, we have price changing momentum. You can see that it is this. You can't draw this trend line. Cannot draw that trend line there because this valley did not make a. Can't draw that trend line because this valley didn't make a higher high. But we can draw this trend line right here, and this trend line is broken, and that tells us that the momentum is changing. It was going up bullish, but now there's a bearish or bullish consolidation because it's not technically not bullish anymore, and it created this supply zone right up here, and there's a strong demand zone down here that's supported by this demand zone. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 really bullish candles that formed here. So we can think about going long right here. But then price didn't retrace to down here. It made this bullish engulfing candle that piercing that pierced through this base here. So we see that price is finding support somewhere else on the lower time frames that is making the move up. So we were expecting price to get down to this level here, but it didn't because it found support somewhere else or found other lower time frame demand zones. So we can think about going long on the lower time frames because the monthly is in a overall uptrend. And let's take a look at the daily. What's going on the daily? We have price dropping and creating this area of supply. Price retraced to it, and then it dropped like a rock. But then now it's finding its support right here, and it's reversing to the upside because it's forming these three really powerful candles. So I have an alert set to right here, and I want to think about going long down here. If price goes up to, if price does this and then eventually do this within, let's say, more than a week, then I want to go long right here. So that's what we have on the euro dollar versus Australian dollar. Price demand created down here, and if it can continue to move up and then move up to this area of supply on the daily, this will give us our liquidity to go long down here because this supply zone will help push price back down to down here for us to go long. Otherwise, if price breaks this area of supply, then we can go long up here, or even just go long on the lower time frames if that's what your trading plan entails. But my trading plan, I'm trading the monthly, weekly, daily, so I want to wait until price gets down here, or if price breaks this level and go up, then I wanna buy up here towards this move up to the supply zone, weekly and daily supply zones. And that is the analysis on euro versus Australian dollar. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.